Are you searching for best bicycle crankset? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best bicycle crankset in 2024. Number 1, Moroka Mountain Bike Crankset. Brand name, Moroka. Model number, RAO. Color, black. Features, high-strength aluminum alloy material, CNC forged, improves strength and reduces weight. The weight of the left and right cranks is about 700 g, compatible with 8/9/10/11/12 speeds. The chainring adopts a narrow and wide tooth-shaped design, and the chain will not fall off. 104/64 BCD is compatible with 1x2x3x speed. If the bottom bracket of your frame is threaded and the width is 68 to 73 mm, it can be used with your bicycle. Number 2, newest Moroka MTB crankset. Brand, Moroka. Model, RAO. Color, black. Description, 170 mm crank length. The 170 mm crank length provides a balanced and smooth riding experience for mountain bikers. Multiple chainring sizes, with chainring sizes of 34T, 36T, and 38T. This crankset offers versatility and compatibility with different bike models. Durable aluminum alloy material made of high-quality aluminum alloy, this crankset is lightweight and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Bottom bracket 104 BCD. The bottom bracket 104 BCD ensures a secure and stable fit with the bike's frame, providing a smooth and safe riding experience. Number 3, Shimano Deore FCM 5100 MTB crankset. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, Shimano FCM 5100. Shimano Deore FCM 5100 MTB crankset 10S 11S mountain bike sprocket 175 170 mm 32T cranksets bicycle bottom bracket BB 52 M500 M501. Number 4, Goldix Bicycle Crankset GXP MTB Bike Crank. Model number, GX Crankset. Brand name, Goldx. Protection, the bike crank is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which can effectively reduce the wear and tear of the bicycle. Portable and convenient, lightweight and compact design, easy to carry. It can be used for a long time without taking up too much space. Simple installation. This bike crank ring is easy to install, no additional tools are needed, and the installation is very convenient. GX Bicycle Crankset GXP MTB Bike Crank Chainring Bike 170 mm 175 mm black 0° 30T 32T 34T 36T 38T aluminum alloy with bottom. Feature, one-piece forging of 6061T6 aluminum alloy, compatible with 7 to 12 speed, axis chrome molybdenum steel, high strength, high temperature resistance. Preservative, lightweight, laser surface treatment, does not fade, 3D forging process, one-piece molding, box packaging, the best choice for gifts. Number 5, Goldix Bicycle Crank Chainring 104 BCD MTB Bike Crank. Brand name, Goldix. Model number, GDR-QB2201. Product sell points, easy to install and disassemble, no tools required. Just use a screwdriver to adjust the diameter of the crank. Great value. The bike crank is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is durable and long service life. It can be used for a long time. Compatible, suitable for most bicycles, such as mountain bikes, road bikes, folding bikes, etc. Goldix Bicycle Crank Chainring 104 BCD MTB Bike Crank aluminum alloy with bottom 170 mm crank black 32T 34T 36T 38T plate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.